Okay, alright guys, welcome back. So we made two main things on the previous tutorial. Firstly, we convert the plain password into MD5 encryption password, and then we go through each and every element of the array or the fields of our registration form, and then we sanitize them to protect ourselves from SQL injection. Okay, so for this tutorial, we are going to separate these values and keys, okay, because we are going to use them on our MySQL query. Okay, by the way, using functions and using arrays is gonna save you a lot of time. Okay, then you're gonna see how much it save our time just in a couple of seconds. Okay, so let's see. For the data part, what did I want to do? Every time, whenever you see when data is passed through MySQL query, it will have two codes, right? So to go through each and every element, we're gonna use implode function here. Okay, in what way that we want to implode our keys will be, we're gonna use an escape character there, and then just we have two codes here, and then we're gonna use a comma, and then I'm gonna skip another character here. Okay, so this will be the first implode function, and then I'm gonna pass the registration data here. Okay, then I'm gonna paste this thing out, and then what I will do, just you'll see what I will be doing in a couple of seconds. I'm gonna copy this thing, and I'm gonna paste, and boom here, and then if I came here and if I echo the data out, you're gonna see what I was doing, which is gonna be like separating each and every element using a code. You see, there is a code here, single code, single code, single code, single code in every element of here. Okay, so for the fields, I'm gonna do the same thing, but just rather than using a code, I'm gonna use what? I'm gonna use backticks. Okay, whenever you are passing a field name into a MySQL query, you're gonna use a backtick. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the same thing here, and I'm gonna call this thing field, and then what I will do, I'm gonna use backtick or backtick here at the end, at the first, and then backtick or and comma backtick at the last, and finally I'm gonna use one backtick for the registration implode part. So let me come here and echo out the fields, or just the field, just I call it field, sorry. So if I come here and refresh or resend the data here, all of my elements will have a backtick. Okay, backtick, backtick, backtick. Okay, I guess yeah, that's what we have to do so far. Okay, so anyways, let's check it out. Okay, this part, like okay guys, I made such a silly mistake here. This only have to be backtick only. Okay, and this part will be backtick or backtick here, and this one is gonna be backtick. That's the conventional way. So if I reload this page, this part will be removed. Yeah, now I'm good to go. You see, every place I have backticks, backticks, backticks here. Okay, then what I will do, I'm gonna use, I got my fields and my data there, so I'm gonna use a MySQL query. Okay, so to do the query, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type insert into, my table name is gonna be users, and through open and close parentheses, I'm gonna type the field here, field. To get the field name here, by the way, this one here is displaying the data. Okay, to get the field name, I'm gonna use some built-in function which is called array keys. Okay, then I'm gonna close this out. So then it's gonna be the keys, okay, the field names. Then select insert into users with the field names. Okay, then I'm going to insert values, and the values are going to be the data here. So sweet. So if you want to make sure, like, let's copy this thing and let's see what we have so far. just before it pass here, I'm gonna kill the page, and I'm gonna echo out this one here with double quotes, and there will be a semicolon here, and let's see our query, like the visual representation of our query. Yeah, it says insert into users, username, password, first name, last name, and email, and the values are mamaye, the encrypted password, mamaye ababa mamaye@love.com. okay, this will be my email address. So I'm good to go. So I'm not gonna kill the page, so rather I'm gonna come here and execute my query here. So we already made this registration system here. We call the functions. So after they are registered, I want to do one thing. I'm gonna pass them to the header, which is gonna be this page, okay, .php, and I'm gonna pass a get value or a get data which is called success. Okay, then I'm gonna exit out of this page. So after they are registered in, I have to give them a verification message. Okay, so I will do if isset $_gate and then success here. Okay, and also is empty $_gate success here. What did I want to do? I want to echo out. You have been registered. You have been registered successfully, or something like that. But else, I want to include this form. I don't want to show them the form while they are registered successfully. Okay. So let's see what we have so far. So let me come here and reload my page and resend. It says you have been registered successfully. So let's come here and see my database here. Yeah, Mama is registered with the password, last name Ababa, mamaye@love.com. So we can register another user if you want. So for instance, like I can activate her account here. I'm gonna come to edit and make this one, and I can make her to log in, for instance. So I'm gonna type Mamaye here and the password. Yeah, I misspelled the password, I guess. So it logged out. It logged in. It says hello Mamaye here. So I can log out. So that's so far about the registration system. So on the next tutorial, we're gonna keep pushing and we're gonna see some fancy stuffs. So keep on subscribing, keep on liking my videos, keep on sharing my videos each other, and till we meet on the next tutorial, big up for yourself. Thank you very much.